Namaskar and Adab to all my friends from your friend astrologer and guide Irfan, once more with you from your very own channel Astro Assurance. Today we'll be talking about what the month of June 2020 will bring for Virgo ascendant natives in terms of probabilities that one can face. Now for Virgo ascendant natives, a very strong planetary placement, that of the Lagna Lord as well as 10th Lord Mercury, placed in the 10th house itself, and with Rahu. This is a very strong sign of in June the career getting strongly pushed forward in terms of impetus being given, energy being given, and if you are connected to certain industries, then it can bring you very good gains. For example, all those people who are in IT, who are in banking, who are in finance, who are in accounts, wealth management, insurance, all of these people will find that they will be given an impetus. They will find more renewed energy and rigor in their jobs. However, there may also be some role changes because of Rahu now being placed in the 10th house, and there may be some uniqueness or some unusualness which may come about in the way you work. To some extent anyways, a lot of discussion is already on that a lot of work may be done from home. There may be small staff which may work at offices, and more people may work out of homes, or there may be alternate reporting that anyways is being discussed in various industries. However, this will be more strongly evident for those people who are of Virgo ascendant natives, because this will bring you both. This will bring you opportunities, this will also bring you role changes, but this will also bring you gains. So if you are asked, or if there is a situation where somebody needs to put their best foot forward, please don't hesitate and then ask for the role that you feel is conducive for yourself, and even volunteering to take up more projects or more work if the offer is given to you. There may be a small setback in terms of not being able to get the gains that you expected, whether through promotions or bigger teams, larger responsibilities, but that is in store for almost all of us because of the current global pandemic issues. However, you will find that the effort that you put into your work in these 2-3 months, you will find much better gains coming for Virgo natives than anybody else. Starting off September, when Rahu makes a transit into your 9th house. Talking about the 9th house, you have the 12th Lord Sun placed in the 9th house along with 9th Lord, which is Venus, and Venus also rules your 2nd house of income. So income is under focus, better gains in your job is also under focus, because and Sun Venus combination is happening. Those people who have met their maybe girlfriends or boyfriends at work, some of you may want to fructify the relationship and may even want to either get engaged or even married if you're engaged, and take this forward. So wedding bells may ring for those people who have found their committed relationship more at work than anywhere else. You may also find that those people who are connected to foreign enterprises through either working in MNCs or having MNC clients, multinational clients, you will find that you will also do very well with 12th Lord Sun in the 9th house, that too with 9th Lord Venus. So great sign for such people who have this strong placement also, especially if Sun is strongly placed in the horoscope, then very good time for you. The slightly challenging position is for Jupiter placed in your 5th house, and Jupiter rules both your 4th house as well as your 7th house. So those people who are in a committed relationship, they will do very well, and you may also find a reunion of sorts in June, where you may have been locked down in different parts of the city or different cities, but now you may be able to meet each other also fag end of June, so it's a good time for you. However, those people who are in a romantic relation but they have not been in a committed relationship, you may rethink on the relationship and whether you want to really take it forward or not, because of Saturn being placed with Jupiter in the 5th house and Jupiter being in its debilitation sign, especially because of the retrogression which is also happening with Jupiter, Venus and Saturn all retrograding in the month of May and then continuing into June. So this that challenge will also be there. However, those people who are in service and who are in service related to banking or women's related services like spas or beautician or into products which are manufactured for women, those people will do well, and people who are in home decor will do very well also, with especially with construction activities expected to take off again end of May or beginning of June. You will find people in real estate may also find a better opportunity for you going forward. However, people who are connected to manufacturing of industrial goods may find that the later part of June will be much better for them than the earlier part of June. One of the important placements is related to Mars, which will be transiting through your 6th and then the 7th house. So obviously there will be lot of service related issues which may come up. So make sure that you work better with your colleagues at work and work in a better teamwork, and don't ruffle any feathers, because this next 1.5 2 months will be good period for Virgo ascendant natives, as the work that you put in these 2 months will bear good fruits for you later. And in November, for example, when the mid-year review comes up, I won't be surprised if the work that you've done in these months will result in even a promotion or a better role or a better opportunity for you, or a new opportunity coming to you post September also. So make the best use of the month of June is what the Virgo ascendant natives should be taking care of. So friends, this is my analysis for Virgo ascendant natives for the month of June 2020. Please like this video, please share this video, and please press the bell icon so that you get to know when my new video is coming. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you're looking for a personal consultation from me, please reach out to me at the links given below in the description box. Until we meet some other time, this is your friend, astrologer and guide Irfan signing off. Ciao.